we realized that there was an upsurge of banditry issues in Samburu County, and it was taking a very complex direction, especially because of the proximity to Isiolo County, proximity to Laikipia North, proximity to Meru. And as a result, we agreed that the Operation Maliza Uhalifu will be coordinated in 2 centers. So this shall continue to be the original coordination from this area to cover this Baringo all the way to Turkana, Elgeyo Marakwet and West Pokot. And we have decided that as we are going to unveil tomorrow, we create another camp in NYS Kirimon, so that it can cover Laikipia, Samburu, parts of Isiolo, and Meru counties. I want to assure the people of Kenya that contrary to the propaganda you see around, the Operation Maliza Uhalifu is delivering, and delivering big. It is delivering, and we are not going to go back. If anybody thought that we are going to slow, we are going to cede any part of Kenya to any of the criminals, I want to say this without fear of contradiction, that we are not going to cede any part of this republic to any criminal. Our officers are well-trained, well-facilitated, well-resourced to take care of our country. That is why they're recovering all this livestock. Instead of people celebrating the work that our police officers done, people are asking, why did they come in the first place? The police officers are here because we know they are likely to come. That is why the police are here, to make sure that they don't, that if in the event that criminals come around, we deal with them decisively. And I want to say that what has been done in the last few weeks, I want to ask the police officers now to upscale it, to drive away all the criminals from this area, away from this region, and to make sure that as much as possible, they do everything humanly possible to arrest them. And I'm happy that for the first time, we arrested somebody who was aiding in purchasing livestock that is stolen in this region. And going forward, you will be seeing more of such arrests. You will be seeing us targeting the ones who are facilitating and targeting those who are inciting people to engage in violence. I know that the political fever is now rising. And because politicians, especially those who are aspiring for different positions, are feeling the heat of politics, they think that it is easier to incite people to violence. We are going to deal with everybody equally because they are all equal before the law. And we will hold everybody accountable as required by the law. And you are up under our instructions to make sure that this is done, but also you have our unwavering support to make sure that you deliver on this issue. Kwa hivyo ningependa kuambia wananchi wa Kenya, wale wa Baringo, msiusiwe uoga. Wale wakora kidogo ambao wanajaribu kutusumbua hapa, tuko na dawa yao. Na ya kwamba ni vizuri tukiwa hapa tunasherehekea ya kwamba mabadiliko makubwa yametokea sana tangu tuanze Operation Maliza Uhalifu. Tumeona ya kwamba sehemu nyingi za Baringo, sehemu nyingi za Elgeyo Marakwet, ya Turkana, ya West Pokot imepata utulivu. Uko Laikipia watu wako mashamba yao wanalima, kwa sababu ile kazi ilifanyika hapa kwa miaka 2 iliyopita imebadilisha maisha na sura ya sehemu hii. Haimaanishi ya kwamba tumemaliza wahalifu wote katika msituni hii, lakini sisi tunaendelea kupambana kuhakikisha ya kwamba tumemaliza hiyo uhalifu, na tunawatafuta hao wakora na tuhakikishe kwamba wameondolewa kutoka our society, because we want our people wakae kwa peace.